You know, some of the best suppers are the ones that nobody seems to make anymore. Simple ingredients, big flavor, and enough to feed an entire family. Well, today we're bringing back one of those forgotten favorites with this hearty hillbilly hash. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is grab up a pound of ground beef and throw it into the old cast iron pan over medium-high heat. Kind of break this up a little bit and fry it until it is cooked through and no longer pink. Now, you don't have to use ground beef. You can use ground turkey, ground pork, ground chicken, whatever protein you like. Okie dokie, we're nicely fried up, so I'm going to season things up with a bit of salt, probably about a teaspoon, something like that. A good heaping teaspoon of the ground black pepper, and I just love ground black pepper. Another teaspoon of smoked paprika, and this is another handy seasoning to have kicking around your kitchen. A teaspoon of chili powder, and you can make this as chili as you want, even 2 teaspoons is absolutely fine. Then about a tablespoon of the old Worcester sauce, just for that depth of flavor. And I suppose what I'm not going to, you could throw in some Italian seasoning as well. Now we'll stir it around until that seasoning coats the meat and everything starts to come together so nicely, and it does smell good. Okie dokie, we are looking good, so I'm just going to kill the heat and we're just going to put this in a bowl for now. And you know what, I'm hungry enough to eat this as is, but no, that would be silly. So in the same pan, I'm going to throw a bit of oil in. And in we go with a diced up potato, and I suppose you could use frozen hash or something like that too, that would work. But I went ahead and went through the work to cut these up myself from fresh taters. So we're going to fry them until they're cooked through and they've got that nice brown edge on them and they're looking good. So I'm going to shove them to one side of the pan, throw in a small chopped onion, then 3 cloves of the good old garlic. Stir and saute this until the magic happens. That wonderful, wonderful aroma of onion and garlic fill the air. We are all sauteed up here and looking good, so let's add in a can of sweet corn. This is peaches and cream. At least that's what we call it here in the Great White North. Stir everything around until it kind of looks like it's coming together and looks like a little bit of a hillbilly hash. Now you probably guessed it, guys, we are going to get that ground beef mixture that's been sitting in the bowl waiting for us and add that in as well. And you know what, to make it really smoky and tasty, I'm going to go in with 3/4 of a cup of Old Hickory Smoky barbecue sauce. Oh, that's going to be so good. But we ain't done yet, because the finale is going to be a can, yes a can, of maple beans. Oh my goodness. And I'm not being silly here, my friends. It really does add a nice touch. Of course, mix everything together, and I know my pan is a little small, but oh well. And I said before the finale, it wasn't really the finale, because we just simply have to add in, or grate in, some old sharp cheddar cheese. And you can add whatever cheese you like. I just love the old sharp cheddar. Now we'll throw a lid over this and let the cheese melt down. After a few minutes, guys, just look at this. That cheese is melted down and everything is just so perfecto. Well, just about perfecto. Because we have to garnish it up and make it look all restaurante with some green onions. You could also use parsley or something like that too, but I just like the green onion effect. And there you have it, guys, our forgotten hillbilly hash that nobody makes anymore, but they're going to start making it because you're making it and everybody is going to love it. Believe it or not, it is so good, and if you do make it up, leave us a comment because I love to read them. Most of all, like and subscribe. It does help the channel out. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe, and we shall see you Sunday in our next secret humdinger video.